Hello YouTube, this is the 34 EMA trader, and just to get the financial advice out of the way, we are not financial advisors. The ideas presented in this video are for entertainment purposes only. You and only you are responsible for the financial decisions that you make. So now that the disclaimers are out of the way, let's talk about who we are and what we do. So this channel is dedicated to the 34 EMA and for helping you make buy and sell decisions on any commodity, stock, crypto, forex you want. So let's set up our trading view and with the indicators that we like, and we'll get you started. So what we're seeing here is a traditional view in trading view when you log in and you bring up any commodity. In this case we're looking at Bitcoin. Is we are going to go up to indicators and we're going to try and find our indicator that we like, which is the scalp tool. This one here, scalping pullback tool by R1 Just Uncle. So we click this and it brings up a view that looks like this. In this one trading indicator is going to be helping us make our buy and sell decisions. But there's some things that we want to go and customize and just tweak a little. So let's just go up here and take a look under the settings. First of all, this is a 34 EMA that's going to be used for a lot of the decisions that we make. Now they have it in red. I personally would change this to yellow. Also as well is it's got the fast EMA set to 8 to 9. For the purposes of this video, we're not going to use the fast EMA. And just with regards to the trend colour at the back, we're not going to use that as well. So we go and turn it off here. And that's pretty much it. Oh, sorry. We don't want to see the fractals either. And just to help initially in the beginning, let's actually turn on buying. Oh, it's already there for the buy and sell. Okay. Now let's actually change it a little bit colour here as well. Down. Okay. There we go. So how do we use this indicator for making buying and selling decisions? So first of all, this is the trend, which is a 34 EMA that we're going to be using. And the cool thing about this indicator is that it actually changes the bar colour based on it crossing this trend. So here we have Bitcoin here. We're crossing the trend. We're getting a nice big candle. We've actually got the buy signal and we're above a 200 EMA. So that would be a buy decision here on this candle. So we'd ride it up to this point, and then we can see it's coming back to test the 34 EMA. It's falling through, and at this point it becomes a sell. But if you're wondering, where should I sell? If I'm entering here, this is not like, hey, I'm getting a buy and sell indicator. So where am I actually going to sell? So one of the things that we do like is using the hull with an average MA. This one here. And this is going to help us make some buying and selling decisions. So again, we just go and changes. It's going to increase that color, increase the thickness of the line, and it's going to make it easier to see. So again, we'll go back to here. We cross over the 34 EMA. The hull MA is green. We'll be buy in. Take it to the top. At this point here where the hull MA changes colour to red, and we can see the candle next to it is starting to come down with regards to the body. That'll be the selling point. So we've just actually got a win here. So let's take a look at the next trade. So would you take this trade here? It's falling through the 34 EMA. candles have changed red. But our answer is no, we don't want to be taking this trade because we only want to be trading with a trend, and we're still above a 200 EMA, so we'd not be taking this trade. So let's move on to the next one. The Hull EMA is green, we're above the 34 EMA, and we're above a 200 EMA. Our entry is here. We'll take it up to here. We can see we're getting a small doji candle here, and the Hull EMA is changing, so we'd sell up here. So that's 2 wins out of 2 using one indicator. This setup, it'd be tempting to get into this one, but you don't really have a big candle, a breakout candle we'd be looking for. So you could trade this one, but this would be really scalping small time frames. Look for the next entry. This one. Nope. You really want to be trying to get an entry when it's transitioning from a downward move to an upward move, or an upward move to a downward move. And so similar to what we've seen here, it changed from being down, up, and that gave us a momentum. Here, we're actually it would be tempting to get into this one, but again, we're above a 200 EMA, so would not be taking this trade. It's come down, it's tested the 200 EMA, it's come back up, it's actually tested the 34 EMA, rejected, it's fallen back down again, and this time, with this one, so we're now below the 34 EMA, so now we're looking for shorts below the 34 EMA. So would you get into this one here? Nope. You wait until the next trade. So it comes back up. You could want to take a short at this point here, but again, it's a small one. Pulls back. You want to wait. There's your entry here. Got a nice red candle. We're under the 200. We've actually back tested the 200 and the 34. We've got a nice red candle. Hull is red as well. And you would trade it all the way down to here, where you start to see that the candles have actually flipped over and moved over the hill, so you would actually sell at this point. So just based on this one indicator, you would have, I think, 4 wins out of 4 at this particular point in time. And again, you're looking at this trading all the way back up, and again, it's how one indicator can actually give you all these wins. Trade it up, it's touching 200 EMA, and now you're looking for it to fall back under the 34 EMA. So that's it, folks. It's a pretty easy setup. Any questions, let me know.